All right, guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do a facial using facial spa, your facial gels. I want to clean your skin really well, so I've used the Lumi Spa. Use a toner, and now I'm ready to use the spa here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my gels. We do the cycle 1 and cycle 2 to do the facial. So the first one is the clear gel, so you can remember clear is for the deep cleaning, and the blue is for the nutrients and the anti-aging formula. This Galvanic Spa is providing a galvanic current, and it uses your body's own electrical current. So what you got to do is keep your hand in contact with this at all times, and you got to keep it a little moist. First, we'll go ahead and open up the clear gel. You're going to use half of this on one side of your face, and then you'll use the other half on the other side of your face. First thing I'm going to do is just apply about half of this tube all over the face. So the spa's not been turned on yet. Almost half. There we go, that's about half. Now, moisten your face, moisten the spa, and you're going to turn it on right there. Setting number 1. Hold it to the skin. You get the beep so you know it's contact. It should beep about once every 15 seconds or so. And that's how you know you still have contact. Because what it's doing, and you want to do these movements here, you're shaping your face. So this is a wrinkle iron. What's a wrinkle iron? Well, irons the wrinkles in your face. So when we're using the first setting, it's got a negative charge on setting number 1, and the clear gel is negatively charged. So what happens when you put negative with negative? They repel each other. So it's shooting this deep into the layers of the skin. That's what's happening. So you just lift, smooth. Always go in lifting motions. You can lift your eyebrow. And make sure that you relax your face and don't do like that or anything. Keep it nice and relaxed, because you're training the skin. So this little galvanic machine, 3 major things. 1, it gets really, really deep cleaning. It's done. So the 2-minute cycle is over. Basically, it like exercises your skin. That's what gives it its lift. It builds the collagen and the elastin in your skin. It stays more firm. So I'm going to go ahead and just rinse off this part of my face, and then we're going to do the second round. What you'll want to do before you apply the second gel is you just push this button here and the top pops off. You're going to rinse this under water and dry it, and that's it. It's all rinsed off. Now we're going to use the second gel. Just twist the back off. Give my face a little spray. And we're going to put about half this on here. can also get rid of your double chin and shape your face using this machine. So you just want to go around the bone structure of your face like this. So this second setting is positively charged and the second gel is positively charged. So it's going to draw out the first serum, which was negatively charged. And it's going to shoot in the positive serum that's positively charged. So you get really, really good results. Building collagen, elastin, smoothing out the wrinkles, lifting your face, tightening your skin. And you can do this 3 times a week if you'd like. If you need to get like some like really dramatic results, you can start doing it 3 times a week and then start doing it just once a week. Once you get the results that you want to see, then you can just do maintenance of once a week. And this is only, takes you about 15 minutes to do the whole process. And the results are amazing. Imagine how much money you'll spend going to the spa once a week. But you can do this at home. If you don't want to get Botox, it's a good solution. If you do want to get Botox, but you just want to make it last longer, this has also been recommended to make it last longer, so you don't have to go as frequently. So that can save you some money as well. Okay, that's the end of that session. So I'm going to go ahead and let this sit for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to rinse it off, and then we'll see how it looks.